YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you some amazing and shocking tricks. You know, when we use the libraries, we are expecting a better results, right? So now suppose if we are using a new approach of asterisks, what can be the output? What can be the use of this math library to calculate these powers, right? So there are some limitations of math.power against this double asterisk. So we will see in this video, so stay tuned and we will see an amazing and shocking outputs and we will verify the timings also. So let's start. Suppose we will start with the first thing, that is 1 asterisk 1, that is 1 to the power 1. If I will run the code, you will see that, yeah, the time taken is obviously going to be 0. Right now, if I will increase the values, suppose I am increasing with some small numbers only, I am taking a random numbers, time taken is still 0, so it's working good for this range. If I increase it to something else, suppose if I increase to 9, let's see this. Okay, it's 0.05, so that is also negligible. Let's calculate for this. It's still very small, right? So adding here, adding 1.5 here, let's calculate the count. Oh, it's still running good. Yeah, okay, let's see for this. Yeah, now it's taking a little bit of time, right, to calculate. So let's see how much time does it take. It is taking 5.4 seconds. So we got some numbers to verify. Let's write down our first input and output. It is 12959 and 133459, right? 133459. Now let's extend something. Yeah, now let's change over here. Let's try this. Yeah, now let's see what will be the output. In how much time do we get this? Oh, it is taking 7.8 seconds. So we got some references, right? This is with basic method. Time taken almost, first approach was around 5.4 seconds, I guess. Let me see. Oh, it's a very huge answer, right? To the power. Let's make this open. Oh, it's a very really huge number. I'm not able to find there. Yeah, 5.4 seconds, right? Yes, and that is 7.8. 5.4 and with some another output, that is 9, we get it as 7.8. Now I will show you some amazing things. See, now we have imported maths, right? Now what I am going to do is I will just do a is equals to math.pow and I will paste this range. And you should be expecting some good results, right, as we are using the math library, but you will be shocked to see something. Let's see. Yes, see, it gave the error. Why the error? The main reason is this math.pow, that is math.power, works only for the float and not for the integer, right? So the float range is very small. Math.power will not work with, suppose if I do like this also, right? Let's check for this much. See, it gives still an error. Let me delete this. Now it should run, I guess. Let's check it. Yeah, it is running, right? So it runs for very small number limits, but it works faster compared to this basic limits, right? So now let's check with one more thing, that is just the power. Now you would be thinking that math.power and power are two different things, or no? Yes, it is a two different thing. Now let me put this range over here, and as soon as we will put the range over here, you will find the amazing thing. Let's run the code. Yeah, it is almost same timing, right? So now let's check for the another one. Here you will find that the answer will be around, let's see how much time it is taking. It is taking the same time comparatively. So it's around 7.8 and 5.4. So both are working on a good speed. Thank you.